Hi, I'm Carolyn, trichologist here at Absolique Hair Health Clinic in Brisbane. Today we're in the salon and we're starting a series of hair rebuilding. So what we have is a head of hair which we know from microscopic diagnosis it's not growing properly from scalp level, and that has resulted in a change in the structure of the actual hair. So we've actually got some hair breakage. There is old colour under there as well. So when we're going in to help with hair loss treatments, we work at scalp level and we have to wait for the hair to grow out. But during that time, it's important that someone can manage their hair. So we're going to go in and we're going to try and rebuild this hair, which is a really difficult task to rebuild broken hair. So this is our Oway hair rebuilding system. We may need to do 4 to 6 treatments over a period of 4 to 6 weeks. And we're going to use a combination of moisture and protein and mix it up sort of each time. We're going to go half and half today. We can see also this hair, it's got split ends, it's got no elasticity, so when I touch it, it just breaks off. So we'll be testing that each week. So we're super excited to see what we can achieve. I don't know what's going to happen on this kind of broken hair, but if we get a good result, obviously we'll share it with you all. All right, so we'll tune in next week. We're just coming back week 2. We did some hair rebuilding here last week. The hair was really damaged. I just wanted to give it a little bit of structure back, but it also needed moisture as well. So we did a combination hair rebuilding treatment. The hair is much better this week. We couldn't even comb it through last week. Obviously it's still dry, but what I'm feeling is we've actually got some elasticity back, whereas last week when we stretched the hair, it just broke off, whereas now I'm getting a little bit of stretch. So we've decided this week to rebuild again, but this time we're going in with some moisture. We're so happy with how it feels, but obviously needs quite a bit more work. So we'll do what we do, go another week, and we'll report in next week again. Thank you. Hi there, Carolyn, trichologist here at Absolique. This is week 3, doing some hair rebuilding. The hair is responding amazing. We have got double the elasticity than what we started with. We originally had obviously very broken hair. We went in and we did some rebuilding with some moisture and also some protein. Last week we did just moisture. We all agree that we're going to do just moisture again. Some of these ends we've uncovered that there's old bleach there, they're split and what have you. So we're probably going to, once we finish the treatment, have a good trim, and it has been a while since we've had a trim as well. If the hair is actually breaking, there's no way we can fix it, but when we had a lot of structure problems, we have definitely made a difference. We may need to do another 1 or 2 treatments, but we reassess each time we go. But this is week 3 and we're super impressed, and we'll see you again next week. Hi there, Carolyn here, trichologist at Absolique Hair Health Clinic. We're just coming to you in our series of hair rebuilding. We've done our 4th treatment today. So we normally come in before, but we wanted to do it after today because we've done the 4th treatment. We did moisture again. The hair quality is so improved. I'm super impressed with this treatment. So we went and did some protein and moisture number 1. Then we've done moisture, moisture, moisture to our 4th treatment. We also went in and gave it a bit of a trim today as well, because we had some ends that were just past being fixed. They were split, they were damaged, there was old bleach. There's no way we could save that, but what we've ended up with is quite impressive. We know there's still some hair on the sides where there's old bleach, but rather than cut it out, it's now manageable. We've still got a hair system we're using at home, so we'll probably leave it for a month, and if we're struggling with these sort of damaged side pieces, we can go in and do another treatment, or we might just do some long layers on the side. So this is our hair rebuilding system. Depends on what is wrong with the hair as into what we would use, but I think we can all agree from the beginning to the end we've completely changed this head of hair, so I'm super impressed. If you want more information about hair rebuilding or what we do here at Absolique Hair Health Clinic, you can drop me an email. It's info@absolique.com.au.